Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming to this super cool product I'm really excited about. This is from HyperXGaming.com. It's the HyperX Fury RGB SSD. This thing is pretty amazing. And what's really cool, if you got one of the newer motherboards, it has multiple colors that will go through it and everything else. It's got a smooth, stunning RGB lighting with dynamic effects. You can daisy chain them to sync with other RGB devices. It's got 3D NAND, which provides increased reliability and efficiency, and aggressive styling to accentuate your build. This thing is pretty darn cool, and it looks great when you put it in your unit, especially if you've got one of the new motherboards. It will cycle the different colors. It just stays red if you've got an older motherboard. And it's up to 10 times faster than a hard drive. It's got cutting-edge 3D NAND technology, and we'll talk about that here in a second. Comes in 3 different capacities: 240 gigabytes, 480 gigabytes, and 960 gigabytes, the one we have. And yeah, this thing really rocks. Comes with the RGB cable, hard drive, and cloning software. I gotta tell you, I love it. I've just been having a great time with it. It does great on my PC, and I just barely put it in my PS4. Oh my gosh, I put it in my PS4 Pro. Everything runs faster. I love Division 2, and Division 2 is so slow between screens and moving stuff and loading up. It takes forever. I just leave and go do something else while I'm waiting for it to move to different locations. This thing moves super fast now with Division 2 and other video games. It just totally redid my whole PS4 Pro, and it freaking rocks. It's got SATA 6 gigabytes per second with backwards compatibility to SATA 2.0, so it comes as 3.0, and 3 gigabytes per second on the 2.0 if you're using that as well. I got to tell you, it does really awesome. It does up to 550 to 480 megabytes per second on the sequential read and write. Low power consumption. Of course, there's not a lot of heat you're going to get with this. I highly recommend it. Be sure to check it out. Go to hyperxgaming.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you.